Hi guys, welcome back to the question set 23 of the series of dbms 1. So now let's get started with the first question. What is the lowest mark obtained for singular subject in the first term test? So here I have used min function which represents minimum. Here this represents minimum. Now let's execute and see. So this is the minimum mark, the lowest mark obtained for the single subject. So then second question, find all the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the first term single subject. Here also have used 4 integers along with the condition to join the tables, and also have used 2 subqueries to join the search query. Search queries. So now let's execute and see. So these are the lowest marks. Find all the details of the students who got the lowest marks in the first term test. So here are the details of the students who got the lowest mark in single subject. So the next question is what is the lowest mark obtained in the second term science subject? We also have used min function which represents minimum to get the least mark or the lowest mark from the mark column. We also have used 3 inner joins along with the conditions. So this is the least or the lowest mark obtained in the second term test. So the next question, fourth question, what is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on the state? So we also have used min function to get the minimum mark, and also 3 inner joins to combine the tables. So let's execute and see. So this is the minimum mark or the lowest mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination. So the last question, find all the details of the student who obtained the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on this date. also have used for joins along with one subquery. Here I have used this subquery to combine this search query. Let's see the results. So these are the details of the student who got the minimum mark for the subject mathematics. That's it for the question set 23. See you soon.